AR Drone 2.0 Power Edition Quadricopter Review. A new dimension has been added. Parrot AR Drone 2.0 Power Edition with Wi-Fi and HD recording for Apple and Android phones. With the Power Edition, fans of AR Drone 2.0 can take advantage of the new high-density lithium polymer battery, which increases the battery life. At the Quadricopter from 12 to 18 minutes. The Power Edition includes 2 HD batteries for up to 36 minutes of flight. In addition to the standard black propellers, the Power Edition has 3 additional sets. Red, orange or blue, every pilot can customize their AR Drone 2.0 Power Edition to create a unique and exclusive aircraft. The HD battery is a 3-cell lithium polymer battery with a capacity of 1500 mAh at 11.1 volts with a discharge capacity of 10 C. It includes a protection circuit which protects the battery against excessive charging or discharging, as well as short circuits. The estimated flight time with the HD battery is up to 18 minutes. As you fly, the HD video is recorded and sent directly to your device. With one click, upload your video from the user-friendly interface seamlessly to YouTube or share your pictures. Download AR Free Flight 2.0, the free control application, on the App Store or Google Play. And by releasing it, the AR Drone 2.0 Power Edition is instantly stabilized. Features the exclusive and patented absolute control piloting mode for beginners. Can be adjusted with growing expertise. Keep track of your flight data, location, photos and videos, and share them. With a community of other pilots from all over the world thanks to the AR Drone Academy. Check who is flying in your neighborhood or watch videos from pilots. With the new AR Drone 2.0 generated Wi-Fi and connection, you can fly as far as 165 feet away. The AR Drone 2.0 Power Edition pressure sensors on board provide unique stability that will automatically correct and maintain a still position in the air regardless. This flip move is exclusive to AR Drone 2.0. Become a daring pilot and perform barrel rolls. There is hardly any other device, even currently in design stage, that can rival this gadget in this regard. To purchase Parrot AR Drone 2.0 Power Edition, please visit the link in the video description. For more video uploads in the future, please subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button. And don't forget, please click like button for this video. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.